let us show you a few cool features to help you get started. Here's the App Launcher. It lets you start any of your desktop applications like they were Android apps. To add a new application, just tap the button in the top right corner of the screen. And then tap to start it as if it were an Android app. In Parallels Access, every desktop application is shown in full screen, using every inch of your display. There's a toolbar on the right that lets you control and reconfigure Parallels Access. You can move it up and down, hide it, and show it again. And you're always just a tap away from all of your other running apps and their windows, from app to app with a tap. You can also adjust how much information fits into your screen. Just select more space in Settings to see more. Let's look at the basic gestures. To click on something in an application, simply tap it. To double-click, tap twice. To right-click, tap with 2 fingers. To scroll within an application, swipe up, down, left, or right with 1 or 2 fingers, just as you would in any app made for your device. Pinch to zoom also works in many applications, depending on whether the app supports zooming. Now, let's look at working with text. Double-tap a word to select it, then drag the selection pins to adjust the selection. Native Android menu selection buttons allow you to copy and paste with ease. To move the text entry point, do it the Android way. Just tap to insert the entry point and drag it with handle to where you want. You can start typing there or tap Paste to paste text you've copied, just as if you were using a native Android application. You can also select a whole paragraph with a triple tap. Finally, let us show you a couple of really cool innovations in Parallels Access. With Parallels Access, it's easy to click and manipulate small controls with precision. Here is how. Tap and hold anywhere for a moment to bring up a magnifying glass. Then move it directly over the control and release to click. When you need to drag an item, for example, to move a file in the Finder, resize an image, or widen a column in Excel, tap and hold to bring up a magnifying glass. Position it over the element you want to drag, and continue holding for a moment until a blue line circles the magnifying glass and the pointer pops in the center. Thanks for watching this demo. You can watch it again at any time by tapping the gear in the toolbar and then tapping Help. Enjoy Parallels Access.